Hey guys, I'm Karthik Vyas and welcome to Fantasy Football Funda. In this video, we are going to cover the match between Chennai FC versus Hyderabad FC, and that match will be like more of the important for Chennai FC and Hyderabad FC. It is a decent match, but they also try to win because they had lost their recent match. But now, let's talk about some basic details. So, this match is scheduled to win 13th of Jan 2022, and the deadline time will be 7:30. Venue will be PGN Stadium Fatoda. So these are the basic details. Now let's talk about both the teams. So Chennai and FC are struggling to get over the losses because in the last 6 matches they get 4 losses and 2 wins on their name, and also they lost their last game, that is between FC Goa and Chennai. So they lost their last match by 1-0. And when we talk about Hyderabad FC, then after their long 8 match unbeaten run, they finally lost a match against Kerala Blasters, and that's also by 1-0. So both the teams lost their last match and want to regain the momentum, want to win this match. We can say that this match will be important for both the teams from their point of view. And when we talk about some head-to-head matches, then in the last 5 matches, 3 matches are won by Chennai FC, and the other 2 matches are won by Hyderabad FC. Last season, when you talk about the last season, then both the matches won by Hyderabad FC. This season, their last head-to-head match is on 23rd of November, and that was won by Chennai FC. And the goals in that match will be scored by Veladimar Koman, and that is also by penalty. So these are some head-to-head stats. Now, let's move forward. So, table standings will be Chennai FC is on 6th place with 4 win, 2 draw, and 4 losses on their name. And when we talk about Hyderabad FC, then they are on the 4th place with 4 win, 4 draw, and 2 losses on their name. So, Hyderabad FC will look to win this match and like to sit in the semi-final spots. Because ahead of this match, and it is that time of the ISL season that the top 4 season will look to confirm their seats in the semi-final. So Hyderabad FC is one of them, and Chennai FC is still have a chance to get in the semi-finals. So that is the case. And now let's talk about some pro playing ground. But before of that, I would like to say that you can also join our Dream Loan group, where I will share my previews, or I'll share my small league teams, Grand League teams, and some suggestions also. So you can join the Dream Loan group, and the link is in the description, so don't miss out that. And you can also join our Telegram channel, Fantasy Fundas by Karthik. Here you can see the channel, so definitely don't miss out that also. When you search Fantasy Fundas by Karthik, you will find the channel, and join that. I'll share my teams and all here, so don't miss that. And now let's get back to our and one more thing, so if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then please subscribe also, and show some support, because I'm in need of that support. So if you like it, then it will give me motivation to make more informative videos for you. So definitely please like and subscribe, and you can also press bell notification icon, so whenever I upload a video, you will get a notification of that video, and you can watch it early. And now let's get back to our preview, and now let's talk about the pro playing 11. So Chennai FC will be playing with Debjit Mazumdar as their goalkeeper, Slavko Damjanovic, Narayan Das, Regan Singh, and Anirudh Thapa, Zarmanpreet Singh in the defense, and some midfield action. And then they have Edwin Vanspol, Lalinjwala Chengte, Zari Lalrinjwala, Nerujas Veleskis, they get this player on the loan deal. And then they have Mirlan Murjao. So this is the pro playing alone from Chennai FC. So there is one fun fact about Chennai FC, that they are the team who have scored the fewest goals in the league this season, and that is 9 goals. But now Neeraj Velasquez is in the score now, is the main striker now. So definitely this will help to score some goals in the Chennai FC camp. And when we talk about some important players, but before of that, let's talk about the free kicks. So free kicks will be taken by Slavko Demjanovic, and the corners will be by Anirudh Thapa. The only injury news will Valdemar Koman, that player who has scored a goal in the last head-to-head match. So he is not playing in this match. So Nerjos Velasquez is the main important player because he will play a key role in this team, and till now he has scored 2 goals and an assist in this season. uh, this will the case. Nerjos Velasquez. Then we have Lalrinjola Changte in the midfield section. He has also scored some goals in the season, and now he will like to create some chances for the Nerjas, and that's why he will be my important player because he can give you some assist points. Then third one you can go for Anirudh Thapa. Probably he's the best midfielder in the India right now, and for the Chennai FC as well. So definitely he will be my key player. And then fourth one you can go for in the defense section, Slavko Demjanovic. And the fifth one, that is the best defenders from the Chennai FC, that will be Regan Singh, because he has made 33 clearances, 42 tackles, 18 blocks, and 21 interceptions so far in the season. So Regan Singh will be my key player. So these are some core players from the Chennai FC camp, and I can say that you can't miss these players in your Dream 11 team until unless you will find some great issues in the team. And when we talk about the Hyderabad FC, then Lakshmikant Kattimani is the goalkeeper, Ashish Rai, then Chinglen Sena Singh, and then next we have Zoanan, then Akash Mishra, and then their skipper Joao Victor, Hitesh Sharma, Nikhil Pujari, Edu Garcia, the probably promisable midfielder in this team, and then you can Aniket Jadhav, and then Xavier Severio. You definitely are missing a player. That name will be Bartholomew Ogboche, but he is suspended for this match after receiving 4 yellow cards in this season. So that's why. And when we talk about some free kicks and corner, then free kicks will be taken by Chinglen Sena Singh, and the corners will be taken by Edu Garcia. So this is the case, and definitely Hyderabad FC will suffer in the attack section because Ogboche is not there, but like in place Xavier Severio is there, so you can try him as a main striker of the team. Then you can go for Edu Garcia, like I said before, he's the most promisable defender from the Hyderabad FC, that will give you some more points in the fantasy section. And then there's keeper Joao Victor, who has done some great who has done some great job in this season and the success of Hyderabad FC till now, because he has scored 2 goals and an assist, and has maintained an impressive passing accuracy of 79% this season. So he's probably the best midfielder of Hyderabad FC along with Edu Garcia. Then you can in the defense section you can go for Akash Mishra, because he's also done some great job in the defense section. He has made 48 tackles, 23 clearances, and 17 interceptions so far in the season. So that's why. And then Ashish Rai, because he's the defender who can give you some points for chances created, tackles, interception, and sometimes he also takes some shots to the goal. So that is a rare chance, but he can also score and can give you assist points. So these are my main players and some core players from Hyderabad FC. Now let's talk about some safe captain, vice captain choices. So Velasquez is my safe captain choices for this match. Then Chengte probably will be my vice captain, and then third one you can go for Edu Garcia. And in the last priority, you can also go for a Joao Victor, because Ogboche is not playing, so he'll play a key role in the team. So that's why. And when we talk about some Grand League captain options, then Xavier Severio will be my first priority choice for Grand League captain option, or will be some differential pick. And then Mirlan Murja will be important. And you can try these two players in your Grand League teams. Now let's take a look at the small league, safe small league combination. So this is my team as of now. I picked Devjit Mazumdar as my goalkeeper, Regan Singh, and then Damjanovic from Chennai FC. I am backing Chennai FC to win this match, but this team is according to like both the teams will score a goal. So that's why. I picked Akash Mishra from Hyderabad. Then in the midfield section, I picked 5 midfielders. One will be Anirudh Thapa, second one will be Chengte, third one will be Edu Garcia, fourth one will be my differential pick and a risk in the team. That will be Aniket Jadhav, and then fifth one will be their Hyderabad skipper, Joao Victor. In the fourth section, I picked Nerjos Velasquez and then Xavier Severio. I missed Mirlan Murjo, because he's the second striker of the team, but Xavier Severio has an advantage that Ogboche is not playing, so he will take more of the shots and play as a main striker of the team. So he has an advantage over Murjao. So that's why I picked Xavier Severio. And if you are playing with some backup teams, then you can go for Murjao in place of Severio in that backup team. So this is my team as of now. When we talk about some captain vice captain options, then Velasquez, Chengte, and then you can go for Edu Garcia, and fourth priority will be Joao Victor. So these four can be your captain vice captain for this match. And this is my team as of now, this is my preview as of now, and thanks for watching it. And if you like that preview, then please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then please subscribe also. And all the best for this match, and don't forget to join our Dream Loan group, and also the Telegram channel. And thanks for watching this video. All the best for this match. See you in the next.